Today I'm going to show you an amazing feat of Streamlit library of Python. In this Streamlit use, I can show you a beautiful app created which will be delivered, displayed in the browser. So it shows how styling can be used within the Streamlit and how table can be created, how product list can be displayed, as well as some text can be displayed. Okay, let's start with importing. First, create virtual environment so that we have project specific environment, not conflicting with the global environment where Python and its libraries are installed. So we create virtual environment. Here it is .venv, and then into that virtual environment creation, we install Streamlit, pip install Streamlit. And then in our server file, which here it is app.py, we import Streamlit as st, import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. We did not need to install them. They are already in the Python that is included in the venv. Once we do that, we do just like a styling within the file system. We create a styling here with st.markdown and then three quotes. Three quotes usually means you can write a lot of things within those three quotes. And then style tag. Then we start styling like .st.app. Where is that? Div class st.app. Okay. Since we don't have, say, body here, if we want to cover the body, we create with .st.app. Okay. So here, background color, this URL, background size, cover, text align, center, color white, font size 20 pixel. And then .st.text. For the text, within that class, here we will see that, see, div class stText. One here. And same way, we will have st text here. And then we have another class emoji here. So you see, we can style creating a class within the tag. Okay. Creating the tag within the style. And the table is st.text. You see, color white, font size 20 pixel, font style italic, weight, font weight bold, margin button. Then we have another st.th, st.table th, st.table td, in which we have this color red and that. Okay. Now, once we have that, we finish the styling, then we write the title st.write. Streamlit is always top-down approach. It reads line by line from top to bottom. So we start writing the title first, st.write h1 tag Streamlit application with Copilot h1. Whenever we have h1 HTML, we need to specify unsafe underscore allow underscore HTML equals true, so that the tag appears as intended, not with the h1 tag itself. If we don't specify this, you will see this as h1 Streamlit application with Copilot h1 like that. st.write, so this is just a paragraph, one line paragraph. Similarly, because we have HTML tag, we write unsafe underscore allow underscore HTML true. Every time we have HTML tag, we need to write that. Then we have a list of the products like this, 1, 2, 3. And then we create a table, pd.database, my products, table.df. Then we write a function to get a total, def get total, total 0, for product in my products, total plus equals product of price times product of quantity. Return round total 2. So whenever we show the total, we show in 2 decimal points. After that, st.write f div class set text total. See this total, we want to display that as dollar get total to f 2 float points div. Since we have this div, again we write unsafe underscore allow underscore HTML equals true. st.write, we write a paragraph here with 3 quotes and with div class of st text, close div, and close div with 3 quotes closed, comma, because it has HTML, unsafe underscore allow underscore HTML true. st.write div, we added emoji here, class emoji, just a line, amazing job Streamlit with Python. With div, because we have a HTML tag, unsafe allow HTML. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore, we pass. So how do we run that? We run the, you see here, emoji also styled. So we run that with this Streamlit. We write this with this Streamlit run app.py. Okay, see now we see that here. Now to show that in the browser, let me go here and show you the browser rendering. See here, this beautiful app came with that a few lines of code and with some styling of that. You can see Streamlit is, that's why it is a favorite for data scientists who wants to show their presentations with styled display using the Streamlit. So here I showed you just an example of how beautiful looking it could be with Streamlit, where you can include the HTML tag and style them without creating a separate template. Unlike other web applications like Flask and Django, where you have to create separate templates and style them in those separate templates. Here, within the same application, just one file, you can do this kind of tasks. So just wanted to show you. Therefore, what I can say is there is a lot to explore about Python, a lot more things to explore. I am exploring it. Hopefully you will continue exploring as well. In the next videos, I will show you some more Python actions, Python activities, Python utilities that can be created. I will show you, for example, creating PDF files, creating other applications, all that will continue to follow. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned and support my channel. Subscribe it for more Python programming. Thank you.